How to attempt the exam on the paper appliance. Turn on the paper appliance screen by clicking on Power button. Tap Start Exam to begin. Scan the barcode QR code of your roll number or enter it manually if the barcode is unavailable. Fill in all the required details. Candidate captures their photograph by clicking on the camera icon. Read the instructions, check the confirmation box, and tap Next. Enter the exam password provided by the invigilator to start the exam. Exam tour screen appears guiding about the basic navigation on device during assessment. Candidate can adjust the size of OMR sheet as per requirement by holding on the three dots on top on OMR sheet to have a better visibility of the question paper. Tap and hold for 2 seconds on the chosen option in the OMR sheet to register the correct option. Use the same method to change response if needed. Once all responses are marked, tap Submit. Review your response sheet and sign on the device screen to confirm. Tap Submit again. A confirmation message will appear indicating that the exam is successfully submitted. Exam completed.